You guys know I never record intros. A few months ago I needed a sign for my market that I was doing. So this is how I made that sign, and it's a cool way to make artwork for your house. So here we go. These are 3 A4 artboards because I only have an A4 printer that I've just chucked on the text that I want, upcycled and thrifted. And then I've printed on the printer. Okay, so we've got this nice big piece of wood, which is a beautiful knotty pine. And then we're gonna have our lettering, which I just kind of guessed about the spacing. I think that'll look quite nice. Oh, hang on, I'm supposed to do it backwards because I'm gonna transfer it. Okay, so I gotta rotate all the letters so that they're flipped over the other way, because otherwise they're gonna come out this way, the wrong way. Okay, so this is a simple fix. We're gonna line this artboard. I don't know why it's okay. We're gonna line it to the middle artboard, and then we're gonna right click. Oh, this is Illustrator. Reflect, vertical, align to artboard again, and then you got it backwards. So we're gonna print that.
I can only describe as a spiritual
Go. So it's backwards now. Cloud white interior paint because that's what I have. Okay, so we've got our word. It's very windy outside, but we've got our word backwards. I'm gonna put that down. Okay, so I've just gauged that by eye, and I think it's going to be very squonk, but it's okay. Whatever. You could do this more precisely if you want me. I don't do anything precisely. So what you need now is some acetone. Okay, so I'm just folding up a piece of wet wipe, and I'm going to soak it in acetone. Oh, the wet wipe's pretty dry, so that's quite necessary. And then I'm just going to, can you see this side? Yeah. So you just rub over your paper with the acetone and it transfers the black onto your canvas or whatever it is. I found that when the acetone had dried, it actually stuck to the paint, so I had to wet with acetone again to peel the paper off. Okay, so now you've stenciled your lettering onto your board, you can paint over it nicely. I've just grabbed some black acrylic paint and a nice thin paintbrush. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, foxy people, and I hope you'll come back and please subscribe because that'll give me encouragement to make more videos. Yeah.